With the Michael Jordan of plumbing, Brian Ferguson, my friend and partner, and we're going to show you how the same valve that we put in the other day, the actual valve body was too far back in the wall. So on this Moen valve, we have to get what's called a Moen cartridge extender kit, which we got here in Columbus, Ohio at Car Supply on Leonard Avenue. So anyway,
so the short one's in, and the screws, they actually wouldn't reach back. So it's hard to see with the angles because you can't actually get behind the wall unless we take a video from the other side. But basically the screw would not reach into the hole, so we had to get a extender. So sometimes when people try to fix it, they may think that they may have to cut into the shower valve and then go ahead and push the shower valve forward. And actually, you have to turn off the water. You have to do this all over again. It's going to take 3 or 4 hours, but instead of doing that, you can actually get a extender kit, something like this, basically.
And this is the rest of the kit. Longer screws to fasten your flange to the valve body and cover up the hole. Okay, and then here's Mr. Brian Ferguson putting the trim on. Use some longer screws.
Yep. Got the longer ones out of the kit.
Yep. We also, our customer wanted one in chrome again with a little bit of a antique looking handle. Okay, so now we're going to show you how the kit we had before, the standard one, has this metal sleeve on the Moen valve. It's not long enough to attach it to the valve body, so the kit that we showed you here, the Moen cartridge extender kit, gives you a choice of different screw lengths to fasten the flange to the valve body. But they also give you this extended sleeve that he's going to put in right now. We'll watch him put the valve body or the cover flange on. And as we said, we got different choices of lengths for the screws, and I'm going to go around back and show you how the old ones, and he's going to fasten them in right now.
All right, Brian Ferguson with Tradesman's Eye, just showing that we were able to get the shower trim on, everything installed, it's working properly. Hot's hot, cold's cold, so it's working as it should. We had to use the Moen extension to get it done, but again, we can help you out with your problem. Here's Eddie with Tradesman's Eye.
We did it!